靠谱这个。接下来，Okay, class. Okay, now today we are going to start with the practical 5. So hopefully you can still recall about the component diagram. Okay. So today we are going to start with the practical 5, the activity diagram. And this is the attendance code. Please sign the first class for the attendance code. How many students here? Half of the class is here. Yes, yes, sir. Where's your friend? Then Kaya, where's your friend? Then oh, then oh, the couple, yeah. Xiao Sen and Melvin, yes. Xiao Sen and Melvin, Wei Song.
Wow.
Who is here? Wei Han.
Wei Han提了。
Wei Han刚回家。
Oh, what is it?
I don't know, maybe.
Okay, and then Sam also not here.
小 Q 比较小。
Sam Fontaine.
Sam Fontaine. And then
Wei Kam.
who? Darren.
Darren Fontaine.
Fontaine. Ahai also Fontaine.
Yeah. Shall I be your brother?
Emma is at the back now.
Where you gonna see on the picture? You racist?
Simply say you are.
Wait, what's that?
Brandon 你读完 midterm 了吗？还没有啊？是 midterm 错不？midterm 有出diagram的，没有diagram的。
Cô diagram tomorrow. Tomorrow.
The midterm is chapter 1, 2, and 4. Until the distributed system.
Distributed system.
Either way lah.
Either way lah.
Until that one. Okay, so are you ready, class? Get ready for your all the tools. I don't know what kind of tools you are using. Okay, maybe you are using chart. Maybe you are using Sam is here already. Yes.
Hey Sam, Brandon brothers.
Okay, so now today we are going to start with the activity diagram. So what is the activity diagram? Okay, definitely it's a type of what we call the diagram that is to show the flow. Okay, either it's a process flow or some say it's a control flow. Okay, of a system or maybe a system. Depends on what level you are representing. So therefore, look at this one. Okay. So the definition, a type of UL diagram focuses on the execution of flow of the behavior of system instead of the implementation. So it's also known as an object-oriented flow chart. So when you look at the word about flow chart, then you roughly know what is the purpose of it. Okay. So and the rules, okay, when you draw the activity diagram, all activity in the system should be named. Activity name should be meaningful. Constraint must be identified somehow. Activity association must be known. Okay, so this is the activity diagram. Look at this one. This is the example of activity diagram. Okay, example. In front of. Okay, so
behind people cannot see already. On the Week04, you easy in front, people behind cannot see already.
Yeah, no lah, can see lah. Okay. So now for FE diagram, you can look at this as an example lah. Now this is the initial starting point with a solid dot. Okay, I use the word dot lah. Okay, or circle. So come to here. Okay, this is it can represent some decision. Okay, either you want to search or either you browse. Understand? Search, browse. Then you want to, let's say I want to browse online shopping. I want to browse. Okay, come to here. Okay, now look at the arrow. Browse item. Come back to the merge. Okay. When you select a certain item, then you use the item. If you want to search, okay, search item, found already, then view item, okay, you make some decision, either you come back to the browse or you come back to the search. This is a merge. A merge means that more than two flow will be joining together, okay, and then come back to another to lead to other single flow, okay, other shape. And then this is the activity with a rounded rectangle. Now, when you want to name your what we call the activity, start with the verb. Search, browse, view. So you haven't studied yet. Then take decision, add to cart. Okay, proceed. See, proceed. Okay, either you view cart or either you proceed with the other process. If you view cart, okay, view shopping cart, come to here. If you have any update, maybe increase of quantity, want to purchase, come back to here and so on. If you proceed, then come. What is meant by this? BAC. You can see this some sort of connector. When you go to B, you read back to here. Understand? Search again. Okay. If you if you come to here, you're done with the shopping, you go to C, come to here, proceed to check up lah. Okay, C come to here, check up, finish. This is the complete of the whole shopping process. Okay, so this is how we draw the activity diagram. Now remember task, activity diagram. Okay. What another example? This activity diagram is another type of activity diagram. So this activity diagram is a bit different. It is in the vertical form. Okay, flow from the vertical top down. Understand? Because now that one is not so top down, it's on a horizontal way. So top down, you can see that in this one, in addition, it also put in the swim lane. This column, this one is called the swim lane. Swim lane means that after represent, okay, this is the computer, ticket vending machine, bank object, and then all this activity is happened in the computer. This activity is happened in the ticket vending machine, and this activity is happened on the bank. Okay, same thing. Start session, come to here. Okay, and flow movie that. Okay, but not necessarily must be like sometimes you may come to here and then to here, depends on the process. You get it? Okay, so this is the another example of activity diagram. Now swim lane not necessarily is vertical one, it can be horizontal also. And then it depends on how you want your activity diagram looks like. Okay, now I think still got something need to show in this one. Hold on. Maybe I can have a look at this one. Hopefully you can see that from here the topic. Okay, maybe we can have a revision because for this one I guess it's not enough. partition. So few examples. Maybe I give you more examples of that. Okay, maybe visual paradigm. Okay, look at the notation here. Now, what is mean by this one? This is a joint, and this is a core. Okay, this bar. This bar can either be vertical and either be horizontal one. Understand? So when you come here, means join together, then this one will become a parallel activity, concurrency. But however, just now I show you the join with the diamond shape one, not necessarily is a parallel activity. It can be either one. Understand? It may is a decision either one. Okay. So however, for this one, it's a parallel activity. So you need to decide which activity can be a parallel one. If no, then we'll put this one. Okay. Then after parallel activity, then you can join back together. Okay. It's a fork. Fork is like one to many. Okay. Okay. Then this one is the join back. Okay. Now, okay, see. This one join to here, all parallel activity, and then come back to here again. For student enrollment, this one is the vertical one. Same meaning. Understand? Same meaning one. Don't have anything. Just that one is you place as a vertical, you place as a horizontal only. You can see that all these activity diagram, they do not put a straight line. Understand? So means that this is maybe this activity is happen within a single object or component. Okay, if they want to show the swim lane, maybe performed by different actors whatever, then you can put inside here. Understand? Okay, so you can see fill out form. If there is an error, so then validate expenses whatever okay. This is the activity diagram. See that? Okay. What is mean by the rectangle here actually is some object root or object root. Okay, represent object root like this one. Okay, this is now object root expand form. Okay, means that this process maybe is going to pass certain object to another process. If you want to indicate the object, then you can put the object to it. Understand? Okay, use the object notation. So and some of the no more already. Okay, swim lane, partition, horizontal or either vertical. So this is the notation for the activity diagram. Okay, any question? Very straightforward, wrong. This one is much more easier to draw than other diagram. Okay, so now come back to our practical. Draw the activity diagram for the online ordering system, not the phone order in the practical one. So we have drawn our use case already, right? Isn't it? Okay. So now we can figure out how are we going to design our online ordering system. Okay. So let's say for example, this is the I'm not into my visual paradigm already, but I feel that the screen is very quite small. The space for me to draw. Okay, I have to move here, move there. Okay, let's see that. So in this case, okay, we need to start first now on ordering. Okay, maybe we can put some. How to? Can I design something? Cannot this. Okay, maybe let's say, okay, I would like to have first this one. Online ordering, online ordering is happen on different actors. Wow, our online ordering got how many actors? We have the system, we have the customer, okay. This one, okay, we just put system and customer first. Okay, two partition, for example. Okay, so this one I will put as a customer. Okay, for online, this one, okay, ordering system. Example, system So I guess So let's say for example, how do you want the online system should look like? Do you need login or whatever? It's up to our designer. Okay. So in this case, let's say for example, I just ignore the login first. Okay. If you want to put on, you can put login now. Okay. So let's say for example, I may come to this one. Okay. I will start with the system first. Okay. I will start with the system first. So maybe action I say action. Process, not action, sorry. Okay. So this one edit it. So maybe edit, okay. Display menu item. Okay. So they will display a list of menu item. Okay. So when you let's say this is the web okay, you go to the URL, then when you go to URL, then you display a list of items. Very straightforward, but very simple. Okay. So and then after that, what you need to do? Okay. So this. Okay, you want to say that either you want to browse or either you want to search just like this now one. Okay. Maybe we can roll out. Okay, let's say for example, this one. Okay, so and then sorry, the full name should be perfect. This okay. Over. Say how to look over, but it's not that sensitive. Okay, this okay. So display menu. So either you want, let's say I want to browse. Or do I have sufficient space? I don't want to use the like this. Okay. So the decision wise, you want. Okay. So I just put like this, and then here, because the wording is very small. Okay. Want to drag. Okay. See. Maybe I cannot see it. Okay. Okay. So either I want to browse or either I want to let's say for example. This one I don't think I have space. Okay, maybe I browse browse item. Okay, so and then another one is I can search. Okay, so what has space now? Very good. Come here. Either I browse or either I search. This one, okay, but the arrangement not so satisfied because I'm using a vertical way. Okay, browse and search, and then what should I do after I browse? Okay, maybe action activity. Okay. So select add Okay.
看有几方，这
Select item. So for this one, if I can join it here like this,
左边是邮件，右边是 system。
from here, I can come from here.
这个不放。右边是我在做，我就动起来。
From here, I can come to here because my mouse is not that sensitive. Okay, so from here, I can come to here. Okay. Like this here. More clearer. Okay. So then I may directly go for select item. For example, this is a very simple flow. This is a very simple flow. Okay. Select item. So if you may ask, sir, then how about this one? Can I have if not found the item whatever, okay, you can add inside. Understand? You can use the dimension. If found, okay, do what? If not found, do what? And then merge. Okay. So here you can run it. Now continue. Because I'm using the vertical way. Okay. So now continue. Select item. Then what should you do? The next one is maybe here. Add item to cart. For example. Okay, add item to cart. Then this one I can link to here. Actually, I prefer the desktop version. Okay, rather than this web version. Okay, done. Okay, so I just want to set space down. Okay, by right, this one, if you want it better to put like this. Better to put at the same level, easier. Okay, easy to read that one. Okay. So after the add item, then what should we do? Payment, right, isn't it? Then let's say for example, I will go here. Make payment. For example, make payment. Then hold on. Make payment. Payment, okay. So make payment and then what else? What else? Then I may have for example, generate receipt. Okay. Okay. Then scroll down again. So let's say I want to show some what we call just now the object node. Okay. I want to show some object node. Then maybe this is the receipt. Okay. For example, if you want to show the object flow that's created, maybe you need to specifically show it, then okay. To identify the object, then will be the receipt flow. And then this one, will be, how to say, make payment already, and then the receipt. What is the customer to do? After receipt generated. So I think customer side has already done until the make payment, right? Okay. So and then the generate receipt, maybe this one. I just put back here Okay, this one. Maybe this one email. Okay, for example, or send receipt or whatever receipt. Okay, so this is the flow. Okay, so this is some of the basic flow of our what we call the online ordering, for example. Okay, but definitely it's not as simple as this one, alright? Okay, there may be other process also. So therefore, from here, okay, you may try to amend the what? Amend the activity diagram. Okay, so refine it, amend it, see whether still got anything else or not. Okay, so if done already, let's say for example, I finished already. So you must have the end node here. Okay, you must have the end node here, so that okay. Now remember, end node or initial node, okay. Don't forget to put the link. Okay, okay. So this end node. Now end nodes must not be stuck at the system side or must stop at the customer side. It depends. Understand? And then there may be more than one process, okay, which will link to the end node one. Understand? Not necessarily only one process. Depends. Okay, the flow. Okay, so this is how we draw our activity diagram. Okay. Any question? Any question?
what's the difference between exit and activity?
Which one? Activity is the process. Action. Which one? This one. This one. Same thing one. Same root one. Same root. Same root one. Same root one. Actually, it's similar to activity also, but it's maybe it's just how to say, a smaller function is going to perform.
Something that has been automated.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily.
Then I don't see the difference.
No, not much different one. Action and the activity. Yeah, you can see the shape also the same. I know this one. This one, right? This one, right?
Yeah.
This one, right? Isn't it? But here, okay. Let's say for example, same thing. Unless that, okay, you use this one.